Hi guys, so today's video is going to be my monthly favorites. I haven't done one of these in like 2 months, so I feel like I should have so much to put in here, but I don't. I went through like a 4-week period where I didn't wear makeup, so I haven't really been playing with it that much. And then if I'm wearing makeup, it's because I'm at work, and if I'm at work, I'm just wearing like basic makeup. So I have some things here that I've been liking for the last 2 to 3 months. I think it's been since I've done a monthly favorites video. I'm gonna stop talking because somehow these intros get so long on my monthly favorites videos. I'm gonna start in like no particular order at all, but I'm gonna start with what's right here, right in front of my face. This was one of the coolest videos that I've ever done. One of the coolest products that's ever been sent to me, honestly. I love it. It's got my mind rolling. Like, why do we not have like a make your own foundation kit or something like that? It's where you can mix all your foundations and like a nice little body. That's an idea for you, Fixie. But this is the Fixie makeup kit. So basically when you break your eyeshadows, you break your powder foundation, you break any of your powder products, you can fix it in this. I think this is the coolest thing ever. It comes with everything you could need. Here is what the kit actually looks like. I'm ashamed to admit that mine is super dirty right now. I keep breaking Bob, the highlighter that I made in this initial video, but there's like, here's the little press. You put the pans down at the bottom of this and then you press it through. This is in not the correct order. This is where you grind out the powders, and this is where I mixed my highlighters. I absolutely love the highlighter that I created. Like I said, it's broken. And then this is the bottom where it all kind of comes out, and you use this to put it into the pan and then press it, and then you have a gorgeous highlighter. It comes with this little palette right here. This is where my broken Bob is at. So sad. I love Bob so much. Bob is like the most perfect highlighter for me ever. I'm still using it even though it's in pieces. It's just kind of like a, how do they say? It's a loose powder highlighter right now. Like I said, I think this is such a smart idea, but also it's really well priced, and they send you absolutely everything that you could need for this. They even send you a couple extra pans. I love this. It's definitely going to bring me some use because I'm always breaking everything, including Bob. Of course, I will have everything linked below, and I'll also link below my video because I filmed a very detailed demo on this. This is the Glam Reflection Smoke Palette. This is from BH Cosmetics. I love BH Cosmetics because their prices are so perfect. But when they came out with this, I was like, this is every single color I use always. This is, I think, like the last actual tutorial that I came out with, just because I'm a super slacker on my poor channel. But as you can see, this is kind of a filthy palette. I love this palette. I use it almost every single day. I stay in these 3 colors right here daily, and then sometimes I put a little black on my eyeliner and smoke it out, but this highlighter is so pretty and so perfect. I just love all of these colors so much. This is like my everyday palette. It's really, really, really well priced and has a mirror, which is stealing my lighting, so I'm going to take it off screen right now. But it is so perfect. I'm going to swatch it. Some of these are a little bit too soft for their own good. For instance, I just crumbled this blue right here by just sticking my little finger in it. But here are 3 of the shimmers. Perfect. And here are 3 of the mattes. Some of these are a little bit too powdery, but fallout doesn't really matter as long as you do your eyes first and then do your foundation. That way you can clean everything up. I just really love the colors that they picked, and for the money, they are incredible quality. So these I used today. These are my Suva Beauty shadows, except for this one is a Give Me Glow Cosmetics one. But these are so freaking pigmented. Holy moly. I used these 2 colors today, and I smoked them out on the outer edges and then did some highlight in the middle. But I can't believe how pigmented these are and how easy they are to blend. They are huge pans. Let me show you guys. Do you see the size difference between this BH Cosmetics palette and this Suva Beauty? This is Blue Lagoon. And then look at this one. It's like the most perfect like purple blue, but it comes off super blue. I also picked up this magnetic palette, and at first I was like 8 shades. I can't just have that, but These are all you'll ever need. Like, seriously, buy these and you won't need any other palettes. I can't believe how huge they are and how pigmented they are. These are going to last me my whole dang life. This company, I feel like, is more known for their eyeliners, but their eyeshadow, they need some love. They need some respect on the streets. I'm going to skip to something that I don't like. I absolutely hate this concealer. This is from Covergirl. They sent me a huge package, and everything else that's in there I freaking love, but this ruined one great video. It's their concealer that comes with a little brush tip. Love the brush tip. I loved the tones that came. They sent me 6 shades. There was a yellow tone for me. There was a paler tone. There was a lot of other colors in there, but this is so bad for my under eyes. I would use this everywhere else except for my under eyes. I used it to prime my eyes today and it worked out perfectly, but I used this in a video where I did a first impression on all of the products that Covergirl sent me, which is a huge box, which made my life, and this freaking concealer ruined it. By the end of it, I had like wrinkles that were crumbling, and this was the only new thing that I had used on my under eyes. Like, I use the same powder that I use every day. This is garbage. It's so bad. Besides it just kind of like ruining that makeup look, it's not full coverage. I don't understand people who can use under eye concealers that aren't full coverage. Like, do you just sleep all day long? I mean, I need it. I need it. This video is like all over the place already. I'm so sorry. But this powder, Ben 9 Neutral Set, I've had this for a while now, and I have been using the heck out of it. And I don't know what has changed, but all of a sudden, this powder is making me so freaking oily. My skin is just very dry. Like, I can maybe get oily if I'm working like a 16-hour shift towards the end of the day. I'll get oily no matter what I'm wearing. But I literally put this on yesterday. Yesterday is the day of realization of how much I hate this powder. But yesterday I put this on and I went to lunch. 2 hours tops, and when I came back my whole face was oily, and I'm like, what is actually happening? Like, this is never, I don't understand, why are you doing this to me? And I'm talking oily as in like my forehead is super shiny, everything has come off my nose and my chin because like my skin is like over oil and my makeup just patches off. I've just never had the problem before. Oily skin people, I am feeling for you. I will never put this on my face again. I'm gonna give this to my sisters or somebody, I don't know, but it's honestly garbage. Instead of that, today I used this Cologne Cosmetics Invisible Matte Finishing Loose Powder, and I forgot how much I love this. I'd been using this a long time ago. I don't know why I stopped, but I love this powder. It looks like it's going to be super white, but it's translucent. I used it in my entire face today, and I love it. If you are a liquid lipstick wearer, you absolutely need this. This is from Crystal Hearts Cosmetics. This is their Glacial Water. Glacial, I have a speech impediment. It just looks like this. It just looks waxy, and when you put it on, your liquid lipstick literally melts off. It takes like 2 seconds to get it all off. I used this in a video that I will also link below with this product, where I tried 3 of their liquid lipsticks with this. I love it. It makes it so much easier to get it off. If I do my makeup and I'm like, that lip is not going to work for me, I will use this. In future lip swatching videos, I will use this. I love this stuff, and I've used it quite a bit, and I've only put like a small dent in it. Literally, you just need to put your finger in it, and that's enough to get it off of your lips. This is my eye cream. Now, this eye cream I absolutely love. If you guys haven't watched my like get ready with me that I just recently did, I kind of went into something that I totally regret filming, but I've got a lot of love on it and I appreciate you for that. I just don't really like to open up about, especially about things that like concern not just me, like my family included. It helps me, like I've been nonstop filming videos well since then, but this eye cream has been put to the absolute test. I was an emotional wreck for like 3 straight weeks. I mean, I still am, but I was nonstop an emotional wreck, and my poor under eyes were like I was constantly wiping and rubbing, and they just looked so bad. And my sisters, their little under eyes were wrecked as well, and I've been using this non-stop, and I used it on them. This is a very small little thing, and it is pretty pricey, but I am going to repurchase this as soon as I'm not the brokest bitch out here. Do you see, like I literally, like I'm telling you, 4 weeks now I've been using this non-stop every single day, and my sisters used it when we were all together for about 2 weeks. Like literally I was using it It's been used to filth, if you can't understand what I'm saying. And I still have a lot left, but you only need a tiny little bit. And I really feel like it's helping my under eye creases. But not only that, is I had the darkest under eyes, and like I said, rubbing, and they just look so bad. I looked like 30 years older when my under eyes looked like that, and I really feel like this is helping my under eye creases go away. And I've never been a believer in eye cream, but I really do love this stuff. They sponsored a video for me like 3 videos ago, and I'm still saying that I love them, and they're not sponsoring this video, so there's something for you there. It's the V2 code. I said it wrong in the other video. I felt so bad about that, but I really love this stuff, guys. I'm going to link it below, as well as the video that I used it for. People do that all the time, and I'm like, that is so self-promo. I need to get into that mindset. But I love this stuff. I'm going to stay with the creams here, and I did use this in a video that I don't think I've posted yet, but this is the Deep Sea Pure Water Cream from Purito. You can get this off of Amazon, which I love. The easier it is, the faster it gets to me, the more I love it. But this stuff is incredible. It smells like Fruit Loops, first of all. I love the smell of it, but this stuff is really good. I love the way that this makes my skin feel. I just feel like my skin looks so much brighter since using this, and I do use it with the whole other system, but this is the one thing that I reach for no matter what. This comes in kind of a large tube, but I have kind of only gone this far, and I've been using it day and night. I don't know what's been lately. I've been taking my makeup off as fast as possible, and I cannot wait to get this onto my skin after I've taken my makeup off. I really like this, guys, and it's very well priced. So the next 2 items that I have are these 2 watches. I am not a watch person. I'm actually like, I have like a fat wrist, so I've never been a watch person before, but this was actually the first 2 watches that I received, and then I received the wood watch that I did a video on because they did a giveaway with me. But I love these watches. These are smaller and just like more cute and dainty than the other watch that I showed you guys. I love this black one. It's my favorite. It's my go-to. I'm always wearing black. I mean, you wouldn't know it from this outfit, but I'm always wearing black. And then like on the days where I want, you know, Alex hates to go out with me wearing all black. So on the days where I want to like wear jeans or like a white shirt and not make him embarrassed of me, I will wear this more ordinary watch. They're basically like 2 different versions of each other. There's like, this is like the day-to-day, and then this is like the, you know, my soul watch. Black and the coppery gold accent. I love it. It's so pretty. These watches are absolutely stunning. I think these are so cute, and they're just really well made, and I never thought I would be a watch person, but now watches are like my favorite accessory. Huge shout out to MVMT for sending those over to me. I really do love them. So I have this huge box of jewelry, and I love all the things in here so much. Jewelry is like, I don't know, jewelry is like my new favorite thing. Every month I do something different. Like some days my shoes are my everything. The next day my purse is my everything. Right now jewelry, I told you I have a Swedish vitamin. Jewelry is my everything now, and I had the amazing opportunity to get in touch with the jewelry owner of Lux Lux, and she is the sweetest person ever. I actually tried to film a video of unboxing all of this jewelry, and I was really excited to do it, but unfortunately it was like when I was telling you guys, I had that mindset for that 3 to 4 weeks where just I came off really negative, and unfortunately I filmed it during that time, and I was really trying to be in good spirits, but it was kind of obvious that I wasn't, and Courtney was nice enough to just be like, listen, skip the video, just wear my jewelry, and I do, sister, all the time. I love all of this stuff. I'm going to show you some of my favorite pieces, and then I'm going to link everything below, and I really hope you guys check her out. She has really affordable jewelry, but it's like everything that's really in right now, and everything that where if you went to a different website to get it, it would be like triple the price from the same people. So I love her for really affordably marking her prices. She knows that you can get it for triple that, but she still sells it for what she believes that it should be. I don't care if Monday's black, Tuesday, Wednesday, heart attack, Thursday, never looking back, it's Friday and I'm in love. Alright, last thing, guys, is this extremely dirty brush. I'm sorry, I'm so disgusting and did not take the time to clean this before I did it. I'm pretty sure this is a NARS Eda brush. I think that's how you say it. I think this is the dupe for that. But this is from Dew Color. First of all, look at how freaking gorgeous that rainbow glitter handle is. And then I think this is really pretty too, even though it's super dirty right now. It has the pink tipped bristles. I love it because it's white. I feel like it's going to be hard to clean, but I've already used these and cleaned them to do the video that I still haven't posted, I don't think, but because the pink tip is there, it does clean pretty easily. This I love for contouring. Literally, I just face straight to my mirror and hit the cheek right there with a light. Don't do a super pigmented contour color because with this, it's all going right there. But just very lightly contour that out and it looks sculpted. Instantly, you lose 5-10 pounds. I have a whole set of these gorgeous brushes and I love them all, but this is the standout one where I was like, how have I done my makeup without you? I will link these below as well, and I don't think I can link the video yet because I don't think I've posted it yet because I'm a slacker. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Like I said, there's not so much, not as much as you would think for the last like 3 months, but I've been really slacking and I'm really sorry. I know I'm probably saying this with like a weird smile on my face that makes you think that I'm lying, but I'm not. I just purchased the new ColourPop collaboration with Makeup Shayla. I'm going to try and make an effort. Me and Alex talk about it all the time. He's like my #1 motivator, that and his dad, love you Sean, to keep my freaking channel alive. It is dying a slow, painful death right now. I am lucky if I will get like 200 views on a video. And it's not about the views and it's not about the subscribers. My subscribers keep going up, you know, nice and slowly, but still going up. But if you're not getting views, then you really feel like people don't like what you're posting. So if you are one of those people that don't like what I'm posting and you don't want to watch things, please just let me know what you want to see because I'm here for you. And I do this channel because it's fun for me, but in the end, if it's not fun for anybody else, then I just need to, I'm getting too old to do dumb things. So if you guys have any suggestions, please just let me know. If there's a certain collaboration that you want me to buy, I haven't been buying anything lately, so please let me know. I'm going to put more effort into my channel. This I promise you. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.